For most of us today, relaxation means lying in front of our TVs until we fall asleep. We may think that this is a great way to get rid of stress, but the fact is there are much more effective ways to do so. If you really want to eliminate stress, you have to turn off all of your appliances and go out and get some fresh air. While you're out there, you should try the following 5 techniques for reducing stress and improving your mood. Meditation. It's no secret that meditation is one of the best ways to combat stress. It doesn't require too much effort, as all you have to do is go outside among the trees and water, place a cushion on the ground and meditate. A great thing about it is that it will help you get rid of stress without spending any money. Everyone can practice meditation. All you have to do is do some research online and follow the instructions you find. You can either opt for guided meditation, where you'll have to imagine places you find relaxing, or mantra meditation, where you silently repeat certain words, phrases, or sentences. Running. Physical exercise is another great way to battle stress. Of course, this doesn't mean you'll have to do any heavy lifting or play sports. Usually, a good run is all you're going to need to distress. Running is a great way to clear your mind and allow answers to all of your problems to surface. Not only this, but running is guaranteed to make you fitter, which means your self-confidence is going to increase. Most importantly, running is going to make you a stronger person mentally, and you'll be less prone to anxiety attacks. Yoga. Another way you can find serenity is by doing yoga on the fresh air. Yoga is perfect for this purpose, as it combines all physical activity, controlled breathing, and relaxation. There are many different yoga poses, some of which are quite simple while the others are complex. If you're a beginner, make sure you start slow. Find some beginner-friendly poses and stick to them for the first few weeks. As you learn more and your body gets all stretched out, you can start thinking about more complex yoga poses. Yoga is also known to be effective against depression and insomnia. Sunbathing. If you're looking to combat stress, sunbathing is another thing you should think about doing. During the hot days, all you have to do is find a good book or make a playlist of your favorite songs, and you can go out and enjoy the nice weather. Just a half an hour of sunbathing per day can help you melt all the stress away. Not only this, but sunbathing is proven to help in dealing with depression. If live near a beach, you know where to go when it's time for sunbathing. If there's no beach anywhere around, make sure you check out cloud lounges and start sunbathing in your backyard. Cycling. Another thing you can do if you're in a bad mood is cycle in order to get rid of stress. Among many other benefits, cycling is also known to be quite effective when it comes to combating stress. Cycling helps you regulate your breathing and get used to breathe deeper, which is a great technique for stress relief. This activity also boosts your blood flow, which means your brain will be able to function better as well. Just make sure you get a quality bike, as well as other necessary equipment, and you can start cycling all the stress away. If you've recently been under a lot of stress, getting out from your home and enjoy the nature is one of the best things you can do. Make sure you give all of these techniques a go, and you're guaranteed to start feeling better in no time.